Your brain is not a fixed system. It's adaptable, plastic, trainable. And how you use it daily rewires how well it performs. We live in a world full of noise, distraction, and brain fatigue. But science shows that small, consistent habits can improve your focus, memory, mental stamina, emotional clarity. In this video, we'll break down 9 daily habits backed by neuroscience that sharpen your brain over time, not through hacks or hype, but through repetition and intention. Let's get into it. 1. Start your day without your phone. The first 30 minutes after you wake up determine your brain's operating mode for the day. If you check your phone first thing, you immediately trigger dopamine loops, information overload, and reactive thinking. Instead, start your day in silence, hydrate, breathe, stretch. Journal. Let your brain warm up in default mode, not crisis mode. Neuroscience calls this cognitive priming, how your first inputs shape your neural state. Protect your first 30, and your brain will protect your focus all day. 2. Use the 45/15 rule. Your brain can't focus endlessly, and it shouldn't try. Research from the University of Illinois shows that cognitive performance declines sharply after 45 to 50 minutes of focused work. The fix: intentional micro-breaks. Set a timer, 45 minutes deep focus. 15 minutes unplugged, no scrolling, just recovery. This habit resets your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making and attention. Use those 15 minutes to stretch, walk, hydrate. Sit in silence. Recover like it matters, because it does. 3. Read 10 pages a day. We're losing the ability to focus deeply, and reading is the antidote. When you read, especially physical books, your brain strengthens. Working memory, comprehension speed, mental visualization. Even 10 pages a day improves neural density in the left temporal cortex, the area linked to language and retention. And it's not about self-help, it's about focus training. You give your brain one stream of input, not 50 notifications. Simple habit. Massive return. 4. Walk without your phone. Walking is movement, but it's also brain activation. Stanford researchers found that walking improves divergent thinking, the brain's ability to generate creative ideas and connections. The effect increases when you walk without distraction. No music, no podcasts, no phone. Just you and your thoughts. This activates your default mode network, the system responsible for daydreaming, memory consolidation, and self-reflection. Walk 20 minutes a day without input. It sharpens insight and clears mental clutter. 5th, train working memory with recall. We don't forget because we're stupid. We forget because we don't strengthen retrieval pathways. Here's the fix. Use active recall. At the end of each day, ask, what did I learn today? What did I read or hear that was useful? What did I notice about myself? Write down answers from memory, not by checking notes. This builds working memory and strengthens your hippocampus, the brain's center for learning and memory retention. Do it for 5 minutes a day. You'll remember more by remembering more often. 6. Cold showers or cold exposure. Want to sharpen your alertness fast? Cold exposure triggers the release of norepinephrine, increases focus. Dopamine improves mood and motivation. Adrenaline sharpens response time. You don't need ice baths. Ahamink tizenert masod perk hidigmosas azuhanizas vegen eleg. The science comes from Dr. Andrew Huberman and Stanford Neuroscience Labs, showing improved cognitive arousal and executive function post-cold exposure. Cold trains stress tolerance, and a focused brain isn't just smart, it's resilient. 7. Cut dopamine drains. Dopamine isn't bad, it's how your brain stays motivated, but chronic dopamine flooding from scrolling, junk food, and notifications trains your brain to avoid hard things. The fix? Remove low-effort dopamine. Cut or limit 0.0. Endless social scroll. Rapid switching tabs. Junk content binges. Replace with deep reward, period. Progress point. Focused work. Physical movement. Real conversation. This resets your reward system and brings back motivation for things that matter. Discipline sharpens cognition. 8. Use caffeine as a tool, not a crutch. Caffeine boosts alertness, but used wrong, it wrecks focus and memory. Neuroscience shows that timing matters more than dose. Use caffeine. 60 to 90 minutes after waking, not first thing. Before deep work, not to wake up. Before workouts, not during slumps. Avoid, period. Late-day caffeine destroys sleep quality. Sugary caffeine spikes and crashes. Relying on caffeine to feel baseline. When used right, caffeine boosts reaction speed and mental clarity, but used wrong, it creates dependency. Make it a lever, not a lifestyle. 9. Prioritize deep sleep. None of this matters if your sleep is broken. Sleep isn't just rest, it's neural consolidation. Your brain, stores memories, clears waste, strengthens focus, regulates emotion. Sleep is cognitive maintenance. Without it, your brain slowly erodes. Fix your sleep like it matters. Go to bed at the same time. Kill screens 1 hour before. Keep your room cool, dark, and silent. Stop caffeine 8 hours before bed. One night of poor sleep reduces working memory by 40%. Protect it, prioritize it, respect it. You don't need more information, you need better habits. These 9 daily practices won't give you instant results, but they will rewire how your brain performs, how your thoughts align, and how your attention flows. Your mind isn't broken, it's just distracted, overloaded, and undertrained. Start small, repeat daily, and build a brain you can rely on every day. Subscribe to NextMe Project for more grounded content on mindset, focus, and emotional discipline. Train your brain like your life depends on it, because it does.